Today we're going to be replacing the screen door latch on a Coleman pop-up camper. This latch has a broken handle. First, grab a bungee cord or something to prop the door halfway open. For this job, you'll only need a Phillips head screwdriver and a screen door latch kit. Remove the bottom screw. Now the top. Hold the latch at this point so it doesn't fall apart. Remove the parts in this order. Reinstall the outside grab handle, button, and spring first. Now use a clamp to hold it to the door. Line up the spring with a screwdriver. It should point straight to the back button. Now insert the pin. And orientate the pin straight up and down. Install the inside latch and your top screw. And just snug this in. Now repeat for the bottom screw. Now tighten both evenly. Test the operation.